This is Corvette Kunass, and I have up here again in YouTube this 1981 Old Time Original. It's a little different now. It's got this awesome forearm light kit with some nice glass on it and some incandescent bulbs. I wish they were CFLs or LEDs, but these really do look better for this type of fixture, so we'll just use those. As you can see, the blades have been replaced with Casablanca Panama replacement blades, same as the ones upstairs. Go do a demonstration of it on low speed. Just that fan change right here. Low speed. It makes a little bit of noise because of the light kit, but I'm used to it by now. As you know, these old times are 2 speeders. Some people actually modify them for 3 speeds, but I've done so much work in that switch compartment I really don't want to do anymore. I don't want to destroy this fanny even more than I already have, you know. Now for high speed. Ooh, heard that one. Nice big thump there. Now this is an air mover right here. This is the fan I was talking about. If you get that 5-liter original run for its money. It's got balancing clips on the blades. I haven't put weights on it yet, but this one's like in perfect balance. My other fans aren't, but this one is. Can't reverse this to slow down. Just gotta do it the old-fashioned way by hand. If you're wondering why I'm so quiet, it's because there's people sleeping in here. Well, not in here, but downstairs. I don't want to wake them up. Alright, give it a startup sound demonstration. Little spin down. Details and specifications are in the description of the video. This is Corvette Kunass, signing out.